You know what's the difference between complaining and praying? When you complain, especially lalo na sa panahon ngayon, when you complain sa social media, when you complain sa mga kamag-anak mo, sa mga kaibigan mo, no, the real intention is for you to be heard by people. But when you pray, no, when you close that door, when you go inside the room and you pray, no, you want God to hear your concerns. You see, there's a different thing. The problem with most of us, magaling tayo mag-complain because sa totoo lang, gusto lang naman natin pakinggan tayo ng tao eh. But do we really want change to happen? Because if we really want change to happen, then we need to go to someone who can make changes happen. You see, I want to share with you this passage na sinasabi ni Paul kay Timothy. But before that, let me give you a context. You see, nung panahon ni Paul at ni Timothy, it wasn't easy being a Christian. In fact, you might get killed for being a Christian. But look at his advice kay Timothy. Ang sabi ni Paul, I urge you to pray for everyone. No? Ask God to help them. Intercede on their behalf. Since they don't worship the same God as we do, why don't you pray on their behalf? Okay? Give thanks for them. Kahit na pina-persecute ka, you still give thanks for them. Why? Why would I give thanks, no, for someone who is trying to hurt me? Why? No? The answer is because you are doing something productive for the kingdom. It means to say that you are truly participating. Binigyan ka ng pagkakataon to participate in God's plan. That's why you have something to be thankful about. No? Now, who are these people? Pray this way for kings and all who are in authority so that we can live peaceful and quiet lives marked by godliness and dignity. You want to live in a way na pwede mong i-honor si God, that you can show full devotion to God, to live with dignity. No? And you do this by praying to God. You voice out your concerns sa Kanya. If you really want change to happen, this is what you do. Sawang-sawa ka na ba sa mga nakikita mo? You pray about it. Ask God to do something about it. Just like the Israelites. Kung mapapansin nyo, all throughout the history of Israel, pag umaabot na sila to the point na talagang hindi na nila kaya, they cry out to the Lord and something happens. God delivers them. No? And that is something that we need to consider. If we really want change, maybe we should spend time crying out to the Lord.